Hey guys, welcome to thermalimagingcamerareviews.com. Today we're unboxing the LTO HD and looking at the specs. The LTO HD has a thermal resolution of 320 by 240 and a display resolution of 390 by 390. It also has a 25Hz refresh rate and a 6x digital zoom. There are also 8 color palettes to choose from. The LTO weighs 7 ounces, has a startup time of 4 seconds, and battery life on a single CR123 battery is approximately 3 hours. It's very compact, measuring 5.9 inches long, and it's a little over 1 inch around. The LTO does not have video or image capturing capabilities. The LTO has 3 buttons, one for powering on and off, one for changing the color palettes, and one for using the digital zoom. The LTO HD is not waterproof like the Flare Scout and should be carried in a protective case if you're using it outdoors. Overall, for the price of under $1,000, if you're looking for the highest quality thermal imager and do not need to record video or capture images or have a waterproof thermal imager, the LTO is a great buy.